Hello Internet, this is Oscar again with another video on mistakes that I've made in videos. These errors are fairly small, but I still want to set the record straight. Up first, the video Taylor series origins. I make three small errors here. The first is the sign of the second value of b. That should be negative. The final answer though is correct because I used the negative number in my computation. I just wrote it positive in the slide. Then here, when I specified the age at which James Gregory died, I said it was 37. In reality, he was 36 when he passed. And finally, when formalizing the Taylor series, I forgot to mention this of A in the notation. Now to ternary search. In the numerical example, the epsilon value is 10 to the minus 6. In dichotomous search, I make the same mistake. That 10 to the minus 7 should be 10 to the minus 6. Then, in my video on fixed point iteration for nonlinear systems with Banach spaces, I made such a small mistake that I did not notice this for months. In G prime, that should be a 1, but because I had the colors correct, I thought everything was fine. And finally, my video on Weggstein, which isn't really an error. Well, you'll see what I mean. In my numerical example, I showed starting with that g of x, but if we take a closer look at our iterations, we have our starting points followed by a second Weggstein iteration, not a g of x call. We should really be using that 1.75 value, giving a sequence that looks like this. What I don't quite understand though is that my error actually still works, so this mistake may not be a mistake. Let me know in the comments if you know why this is working. With that, and my previous mistakes video, that should be all of the errors that I've encountered on my channel so far. Definitely let me know if you find any other mistakes, but also double check my part 1 to see if I already covered it. As always, thank you for watching.